Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of the poultry processing industry. Get ready for a mind-blowing exploration that will leave you clucking with excitement. But hold on, before we begin, let me tell you about the incredible value you're getting with this experience. It's absolutely free. Imagine a mesmerizing world where chickens magically transform into the succulent cuts of meat that grace your dinner table. Yes, my friends, we're talking about the remarkable poultry processing industry, where innovation and precision converge to create the products we all know and love. Have you ever wondered how those mouth-watering chicken nuggets or juicy drumsticks come to be? Well, prepare to have your curiosity satisfied as we unveil the behind-the-scenes secrets of this incredible industry. From the moment those plump chickens arrive at the processing plant to the meticulous techniques employed by skilled professionals, every step of the journey is a testament to human ingenuity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Rest assured, my friends, the insights you're about to gain are absolutely priceless. While this knowledge won't cost you a single penny, it will give you a new appreciation for the effort and expertise that goes into bringing poultry from farm to fork. But why stop at just watching? Engage with this content, my dear viewers, by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell notification, you'll ensure you never miss out on another captivating journey into the fascinating world of food processing. Spread the word, folks. Share this video with your friends, family, and even your favorite foodies. Together, let's explore the intricacies of the poultry processing industry and gain a newfound admiration for the remarkable individuals who make it all happen. So, without further ado, join us on this eye-opening adventure as we unravel the mysteries of the poultry processing industry. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and enlightened. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's time to empower yourself with a deeper understanding of the food we consume. Buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's embark on a journey that will leave you gobsmacked. Welcome to our channel, where we transform information into inspiration, one video at a time. Together, we can explore the world around us and savor every moment. Let's get clucking and dive into the captivating world of the poultry processing industry. Acres of sprawling farms where chickens are raised with care, nourished with quality feed, and provided with optimal living conditions. These farms play a pivotal role in ensuring the highest standards of poultry production, prioritizing the health and welfare of the birds. But what happens when these plump chickens reach the processing plant? Well, my friends, that's where the magic begins. Skilled professionals, armed with precision tools and industry-leading techniques, carefully handle each chicken, ensuring that the transition from live animal to delicious meat is conducted with utmost care and expertise. The process involves various stages, meticulously designed to deliver the finest poultry products to your table. From stunning evisceration and chilling to cutting, deboning, and packaging, every step is a testament to the art and science behind poultry processing. Hygiene and safety measures are rigorously followed, guaranteeing the quality and freshness of the final products. Speaking of freshness, did you know that the poultry industry has made significant advancements in maintaining the cold chain? From state-of-the-art refrigeration systems to strict temperature monitoring, the industry leaves no stone unturned to ensure that the poultry you consume is not only delicious, but also safe. Additionally, sustainability and environmental consciousness have become integral parts of the poultry processing industry. Efforts are made to minimize waste, conserve resources, and implement eco-friendly practices. The industry is constantly evolving to meet the demands of a changing world, embracing innovative solutions to reduce its environmental footprint. And here's where you come in, dear viewers. By engaging with this video, you've already taken the first step. Show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Join our community of food enthusiasts and stay updated with captivating content that explores the intricacies of various industries that shape our culinary experiences. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you never miss out on the latest discoveries and revelations about the poultry processing industry and other exciting topics we'll be exploring together. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can make informed choices about the food we consume.